Your PC has 16 gigabytes, maybe 32 gigabytes of fast RAM. So why is Windows settings at 50% memory usage when you are literally doing nothing? Out of the box, Windows 10 and Windows 11 run dozens of background tasks, telemetry, grabbers, and caching services. They claim they are optimizing your system, but in reality, they are choking your memory. Today, we are shutting down 7 hidden Windows settings and services that are eating your RAM right now. We will look at exactly what they do, how much RAM they steal, and how to safely disable them immediately. First up is SysMain, formerly known as Superface. This service analyzes your app usage patterns and preloads frequently used applications into your RAM in the background. If you have a modern SSD, it's completely redundant. SysMain regularly holds hostage anywhere from 150 to over 500 megabytes of RAM. How to disable this service? In search, type services, right click on services, click on run as administrator, scroll down and find SysMain. Right click on SysMain and click on stop to stop the service. The service is stopped. Again right click on the SysMain and click on properties. In startup type, click on the drop down menu and select disabled, then click on apply and click on OK. Next is connected user experiences and telemetry. It constantly tracks how you use your operating system, gathers system logs, and uploads them to Microsoft server. It typically sits at 50 to 150 megabytes of RAM, but it's notorious for causing random CPU and disk spikes while transmitting data. In services, find connected user experiences and telemetry. Right click on the service and then click on stop to stop the service, and again right click on the service, click on properties. In startup type, click on drop down, select disabled, and then click on apply and OK. Number 3 is the Diagnostic Policy Service. This service detects and troubleshoots issues with Windows components. Under normal conditions, it only uses about 30 megabytes. It continuously writes logs to a system file called srudd.dat. When this log gets corrupted or too large, the service goes rough, consuming up to 2 gigabytes of RAM and spiking your CPU. In services, find Diagnostic Policy Service. Right click on the Diagnostic Policy Service and then click on Stop. Again, right click on Diagnostic Policy Service. Click on Properties. In Startup type, click on the drop down menu and select Disabled. Then click on Apply and click on OK. Number 4 is Windows Search, that is called indexing. This service indexes your files, emails, and other content so you can search them instantly. If you have a fast NVMe SSD, search is already incredibly fast, making active index caching a waste of resources. Windows Search constantly crawls your storage in the background, consuming 100 to 300 megabytes of RAM and wearing down your drive. In search, scroll down and find Windows Search. Right click on Windows Search, then click on Stop to stop the service. Again right click on Windows Search, click on Properties. In Startup Type, click on the drop down menu, then click on Disabled and then click on Apply and OK. Next is Delivery Optimization. This is a peer-to-peer update service. It essentially turns your PC into a local distribution server, uploading Windows Update files to other PCs on your local network or even on the internet. This background uploading eats 80 to 200 megabytes of RAM, not to mention your network bandwidth. To disable it, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Windows Update, then go to Advanced Options, click on Delivery Optimization, toggle the switch for Allow downloads from other PC to off. Number 6 is Windows Native Diagnostic and Feedback Settings. Similar to the telemetry service we disabled earlier, this setting controls the sending of optional diagnostic data to Microsoft. Keeping this active forces several background monitoring processes to stay loaded in your memory, costing you 40 to 100 megabytes of RAM. To disable it, go to Settings. In left menu pane, click on Policy and Security and then click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Scroll down and turn off Tailored Experiences and let Windows improve inking and typing. Finally, the secret weapon, Windows Memory Compression. Windows uses a feature called memory compression to compress inactive pages in your RAM so you don't run out of memory. This is great for cheap laptops with only 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, but only 4 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. But if you have 16 gigabytes or more, this feature is actually hurting you. Compressing and decompressing memory pages requires constant CPU cycles, which increase CPU latency and causes micro stutters during gaming or heavy workloads. On modern SSD, turning this off can drop task latency by up to 22%. To disable it, go to Search. In Search, type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. In Windows PowerShell, type get-mmagent and hit enter. You will see memory compression is set to true. To turn it off, run this command disable-mmagent-memory compression, then hit enter. You have to restart your computer to apply these changes. Again, to check, type get-mmagent and hit enter. You will see memory compression is set to false. If you ever want to turn it back on, just run enable-mmagent-memory compression. By disabling these 7 hidden memory hogs, you can easily reclaim anywhere from 1 to 3 gigabytes of physical RAM and significantly reduce background CPU overhead. Your system will feel snappier, your games will run smoother, and your RAM will actually be free when you need it most. If this video helped you optimize your system, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to IT System Admin for more Windows networking and virtualization tutorials.